Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the next problem that I am going to take today. It's a question based on the topic of parabola. It says a normal with slope 1 upon root 6 is drawn from the point 0, minus alpha to the parabola x square equal to minus 4ay where a is greater than 0. Let L be the line passing through 0, minus alpha and parallel to the directrix of the parabola. Suppose that L intersects the parabola at 2 points A and B. Let R denote the length of the latus rectum and S denote the square of the length of the line segment AB. If R is to S is equal to 1 upon 16, then we have to find the value of 24A. Right? Now students, it's a nice question on the concept of normal to the parabola. Now the equation of the parabola is x square equal to minus 4ay. So first of all, we will find the equation of the normal to this parabola in slope form. Now if you know it directly, it's okay. But if you do not know it, then I will show you the process how to get this equation. Now differentiate both sides of this equation with respect to x. So 2x becomes equal to minus 4a y dash. Y dash becomes equal to minus x upon 2a. Right? Now suppose we are dropping normal at the point x1, y1 onto this parabola. That means the feet of the normal is x1, y1. Fine. So the slope of the tangent at this particular point, which is y dash, that will become equal to minus x1 upon 2a. And we know that normal and tangent at a particular point, they are always perpendicular to each other. So that means the slope of the normal, if I call that slope of the normal equal to m, that will be nothing but negative reciprocal of y dash, because y dash is the slope of the tangent and m is the slope of the normal. So that will be equal to 2a upon x1. Right? Now students, we have got the value of m as 2a upon x1. So that means x1 is equal to 2a upon m. Now since the point x1, y1 is located on the parabola, so that means it must satisfy its equation. So hence I can say x1 square equal to minus 4a y1. Now just put the value of x1 as 2a upon m in this equation. So you will be getting 4a square upon m square equal to minus 4a y1. So from here we get the value of y1 as minus a upon m square. Fine. Now we know that if a line is passing through the point x1, y1 and its slope is m, then by using point slope form, we can write the equation of the line as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So that means the equation of the normal in the slope form will be y minus. Now what is y1? Y1 is minus a by m square. So this becomes y plus a by m square equal to m into x minus x1. Now what was x1? It was just 2a upon m. Right? Now just simplify this. You will be getting y equal to mx minus 2a minus a upon m square. Now students, we have got the equation of the normal in the slope form. Now it is saying that the normal is drawn from the point 0, minus alpha. So that means 0, minus alpha will be a point on this normal. So it must satisfy the equation of the normal. So what I do now, I will just put y as minus alpha and x as 0 in this equation. So I will be getting minus alpha equal to minus 2a minus a upon m square. Now from here we get the value of alpha as 2a plus a upon m square. Right? Now we move further. Now students, it is saying that there is a line L passing through the point 0, minus alpha and it is parallel to the directrix of the given parabola. Now we know that the directrix of the parabola x square equal to minus 4ay has the equation y equal to a. That means it's a line parallel to the x-axis. So that also means its slope is 0. And we know that whenever two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are equal. So that means the slope of the line L will also be equal to 0. Now I am calling the slope of the line L as suppose m dash. So m dash is equal to 0. So just use the point slope form again. You will be getting the equation of the line L as y plus alpha equal to 0. So that means it is just y equal to minus alpha. Now it is saying that this particular line is intersecting the given parabola in 2 points A and B. So now to get the coordinates of A and B, what I do, I will just substitute the value of y equal to minus alpha in the equation of the parabola, right? So from here we will be getting x square equal to minus 4a into minus alpha equal to 4a alpha. So the value of x becomes plus minus 2 into square root of a alpha. Now two values of x simply tell us that we are going to get 2 points of intersection. Now let me call the first point as a, 2 into square root of a alpha. Now the value of y is already known to us, it is minus alpha. And the second point is going to be minus 2 into square root of a alpha comma minus alpha, right? Now it is also telling us that the value s is nothing but ab square. That means it represents the square of the distance between these 2 points. So just use the distance formula between 2 points. So it becomes 4 into square root of a alpha whole square plus 0, which is nothing but 16a alpha. R here represents the length of the latest rectum, which is 4a, and we are given that R upon S is equal to 1 upon 16. So this means 4a upon 16a alpha is equal to 1 upon 16, which means 1 upon 4 alpha is equal to 1 upon 16, or alpha is equal to 4, right? Now students, we move back and use that relation which connects alpha, a and m, and that was how much? Alpha we found as equal to 2a plus a upon m square, right? Now just put the value of alpha as 4 over here, and the value of m is already given in the question. It is 1 upon root 6 because it represents the slope of the normal. So when you put here 1 upon root 6, it becomes 6a. So that means 8a is equal to 4, or a is equal to just half. And we have to find the value of 24a, and that comes as just 12. Right? Now students, it was a nice question, and you must know the basic concepts of the topic parabola in order to solve such kind of questions. Now next problem I will be taking in the next video. So till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge. Thanks.